The universe is unimaginably vast and is full of mysteries. Everything from planets, stars, nebulae, galaxies, black holes, and everything humankind has ever discovered and will discover exists in this universe. At a large scale, where a light year seems to be barely a distance of microscopic scale, everything is controlled by gravity. Everything exists because of gravity. Newton said that gravity is the force that binds everything in this universe. But he was unable to explain why gravity is always attractive and is an instantaneous phenomenon. But from Einstein's theory of relativity, nothing can move faster than the speed of light. Einstein showed that space and time are not independent entities, rather connected to each other. As we move in space faster and faster, the time elapses slower and slower. This is described as the effect called time dilation. This led Minkowski, the mentor of Einstein, to think that geometry of space is not three-dimensional as thought before. Rather, it's four-dimensional, and time being its fourth dimension. Space and time are so connected that they are not separate entities, rather form a four-dimensional fabric called spacetime. This further led Einstein to formulate the general theory of relativity, which explains gravity not as a force, rather a curvature or a wrapping in the four-dimensional fabric of space-time. Einstein also predicted that certain astrophysical phenomena can produce a vibration or a wave in the four-dimensional space-time fabric, like the ripples on the surface of water when we drop a stone and create a disturbance. But these waves are material waves on a two-dimensional surface of water. However, gravity is a four-dimensional wave moving in the fabric of four-dimensional space-time. The interesting thing about gravitational waves is that anything that comes in the influence of it changes its shape and size because the geometry of space-time is changing. Hence, the distance between 2 points located in space changes. These gravitational waves are generated in a binary neutron star or by the merger of two black holes. These gravitational waves have been detected by the LIGO-Virgo Gravitational Wave Network. LIGO stands for the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. The data observed at two locations, Hanford, Washington, and Livingston in Louisiana, in the United States, exactly match and confirms the detection of gravitational waves.